let's go. Hi guys, hi, I'm Gaëtan from Audiolithe. We're a Paris-based pedal company, and we're intended to heavy sounds, heavy musics, and so we're mainly doing distortion, fuzz, and also psychedelic effects like Ecosmos. So yeah, everything is original design, and we are handmade in our workshop in Paris, and it's made as locally as possible. We work with local dealers and we work with local artists, and we source all our components in Europe. So that's the spirit of the company. Right now, at the moment, we have two fuzz. So one is the Doomer fuzz, which is a two-gain stage fuzz, and there's a smaller version of this pedal, which is the Mountain, which has the two stages embedded in a single small enclosure and a single fuzz knob. And brand new here we have the Extinction Drive, which is an overdrive tuned to our Audiolithe sound, with a fuzz blast channel that blends in a low fuzz and a high fuzz, and also can be used as a boost. Okay, and last but not least is our Ecosmos, which is the delay pedal. It's a very psychedelic delay with a heavy modulation in here and an oscillation switch, and oscillations that you can control the intensity of with this knob. So yeah guys, if you're into heavy music, if you're a stoner, doom, psychedelic, this is heavy stuff, this is stuff for you.